How to add profile photo to your Gmail account. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to Gmail app in our mobile phone. So I will simply click on Gmail app. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So for changing profile pic you guys will simply click on top right corner small profile pic. Once we click here you guys will see manage your Google account. Also you guys will see small camera option with your profile alphabet, like my Gmail you guys can see A and small profile camera. Simply click on that camera. Once we click here here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see upload from device, Google Photos, browse illustration, take picture. So if you have pic in your gallery, simply click on upload from device, and after that select the pic, and once you select that, after that upload that to your Gmail profile. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.